Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an Excel automation, and in this automation, there was a modification required so that the chart can be plotted on a dynamically changed values. So if there could be, so basically this chart is plotting all these 7 runs. Though when I got the chart, it was only plotting run 1. So what I did, yeah, there could be multiple ranges, like different ranges for run 1, run 2, run 3, and run 7. And the requirement was to plot only the values which are plottable, and the redundant values should be skipped. So currently it's showing only 200 plots, 200 values, whereas there are more values. So let me clear everything and start fresh. All right, so I have made some modification on your VBA code. I have cleaned it up and modified a little so that there will not be blinking of the screen, and it will show you a still screen. And then I have added another module that will apply the chart ranges, which should be. And for those, as a random values, I just filled out these columns so that we can get random values. Let me show you. So currently, this one has 2,166 values. This one has less than the earlier one. Then this one has 2159, and this one has the highest, which is I guess 2171. And then we have the shortest values on this chart, run number 7, I guess. Yep. So I'm going to use these values and see what happens. So to transfer the values, I'll click export to graphs, and you will see there will not be any file blinking, and it will show you the data directly. Once the data is here, you can always copy to runs. And within this module, I have added this code for the updating of the chart based on the values available in line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what this code will do, obviously, it will copy the data from run 1 to run 7 on these ranges, and it is going to apply the chart dynamic limit as well. Okay, you can see now this has been updated. Earlier there was 200 values only, and now I'm going to reduce the chart values a little more and see what happens. So I'm going to go in B, and let's delete all of these values from here. Let's delete a little more. Let me delete more values from here. We should see some difference in the chart values. Run 1 will be larger than run 2, run 3, run 4, run 5, and so on. So I'm just trying to delete some values so that we can see the difference, and make the run 7 a bit more shorter. So the lengthiest here is run 1, and the chart should update the dynamic ranges for itself so that it can only show the 1300 values. So currently it's showing 12151 values. Let me run this again. It's again going to go to calculate the values and transfer the values in this range, and you can see more values in it, but you will be only seeing the plottable values. The redundant values range will always be automatically skipped. I'll show you now. You might see all 5,000 values in here, but the chart will be applied only on, you can see 3, 1, 3, 4, 5, and you can see the values for different runs are shorter than the others. And you can see the values in here. There you go. You can see the values are here up to this range, which is 1361, and all of the values are perfectly aligned, and we are only plotting the range which we need. The excess values which were in the earlier run was deleted. So that is it. I have modified some formulas on this side as well. So if this is not your master file, I would like I would strongly suggest to share the master file so that you can get the required changes with 100% result within this exact file. So what should I do? Let me add another. I'm going to add few values in it. And export the ranges to the charts. I don't know if those got updated or not. So let's export it once again. And you can see currently it's lengthier than orange one, but not now. What I'll do, I'll update the new values for run one, and you will see a bit longer run one, a bit longer run one line than the orange. So currently it's plotting up to 1345, and the orange line is 1185. And you will see the chart range will be automatically dynamically updated based on the latest or the lengthiest run value. You can see the now the run one is lengthier than the other, and it's plotting all the available values. Though you can see multiple values more than the random values, but the range will be only plotted only for the valid values. And if there are any invalid values or any error, those will get skipped automatically. And this is how a chart range can dynamically update for multiple runs. So that is it from my side. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.